Has the dentistry become the easier part of your day? Would you like to be able to focus on your patients instead of investing countless hours running your business? Let Tanner Management help you tap into the unlocked potential of your practice. Hi, I'm Joanne Tanner, and for over 30 years, we've been helping doctors like you streamline their practice with hands-on dental practice management training. Are you frustrated with patient cancellations and low patient retention? Would you like to increase the amount of same-day dentistry instead of rescheduling the patient? Let us help you fine-tune your operations and free up your time so you can focus on what you do best, and that's being a dentist. Let Tanner Management help you build a practice that thrives and grows. Call or text 916-591-2720 for your complimentary consultation.